Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download and install Litematica Minecraft. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to fabricmc.net. From here, click Download and select the Universal Jar file. Save it on your computer. Next, open CurseForge, click on Minecraft, and search for Litematica. Open the mod by Masa, go to the Files section, and download the version that matches Minecraft 1.21.10. After that, search for may.lib on CurseForge and download the same game version. Then search for Fabric API and download the matching file. Now make sure Java is installed on your PC. Right-click the Fabric jar file and open it with Java. Select Minecraft version 1.2, 1.10 and click Install. Once done, open the Minecraft installation folder and open the mod folder. Move the Litematica, may.lib, and Fabric API jar files into the mods folder. Finally, open the Minecraft launcher, select the Fabric profile, click Play, and press M in Game to open Litematica. So that's basically how you can download and install Litematica Minecraft. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.